Okay, good morning, students. In the last class, we have already discussed about the small intestine, till the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into three parts, that is the duodenum, okay, the jejunum, and the ileum. Okay, the small intestine is divided into three parts, these parts, and today we will be continuing with pancreas. Okay, next is pancreas. Okay, so this is the pancreas. The size, the look of the pancreas is like what leaf? It is just like a leaf. Okay, this pancreas. And this pancreas, what do? They secrete digestive enzymes. Okay, they secrete digestive enzymes. Why? It means so that they can break. Okay, it means they secrete digestive enzymes and afterwards they go to the duodenum. Okay, duodenum, you remember the small intestine? So they go to the duodenum and after they go, what do? They break down into protein, fats and carbohydrates. Okay, they break down all those food particles, okay, such as protein, fats and carbohydrates, the duodenum. Okay, and second function of the pancreas is what? Means they make insulin. Okay, this pancreas, they make insulin so that they will go to the bloodstream. And this insulin is what? Insulin is what? Means they help in metabolism of sugar. Okay, they helps in maintaining the insulin, means they helps in maintaining the what? Means sugar level. Okay, understand everyone? This pancreas, what do? They secrete digestive enzymes. Okay, and they go to the duodenum. You remember the duodenum, which is in the small intestine, and when they go to the small intestine, what will they do? They will break down. Okay, they will break down into protein, fats, carbohydrates. Okay, and this pancreas, what will they do? They will make insulin. Okay, they will make insulin, and this insulin they will go to their bloodstream. Okay, and this insulin is for what purpose? It is for maintaining a sugar level. Okay, metabolism of sugar. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्या आता है? पैनक्रियस. पैनक्रियस का काम क्या है? पैनक्रियस मतलब डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स बनाता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद कहाँ पे चला जाता है? उसके बाद स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन पे चला जाता है. दुओडेनम का पार्ट, जो पहला पार्ट था स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का, और वहाँ पे क्या करेगा? वहाँ पे प्रोटीन, फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ये सब ब्रेक डाउन करेगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? पैनक्रियस का फंक्शन. पैनक्रियस का दूसरा फंक्शन ये है कि ये पैनक्रियस इंसुलिन बनाता है, मतलब सिक्रेट करता है. ठीक है, और ये इंसुलिन का काम क्या है? इंसुलिन का काम ये है कि जो मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ शुगर है, ठीक है, तुम मतलब शुगर लेवल मेंटेन करता है, मेटाबोलाइज करता है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone about pancreas? Yes,
Ma'am, again.
this pancreas, they secrete digestive enzyme. Okay, and this digestive enzyme, what will they do? They will go to the duodenum. Okay, the duodenum, which we find in the small intestine. Okay, and what will they do? They will break down. Okay, they will break down such as proteins, such as fats, carbohydrates. They will break it down. Okay, and next is what? Next is this pancreas. They will make insulin. Okay, they will make insulin, and what is the purpose of insulin? The purpose of insulin is that they helps in maintaining the sugar level. Okay, sugar level, or else you can say they helps in metabolism of sugar. Okay, okay, so you understand now everyone about pancreas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is liver. So this is your liver. Okay, and liver, you can say that is the second largest organ in the human body. First is what? First is skin. Okay, first is skin, second is liver. But if we see in gland, okay, GLAND, gland, in gland wise, you can see that the liver is the largest gland in the human body. Okay, the liver is the largest gland in the human body, and the weight of the liver is how much? The weight of the liver is 1500 gram. Okay, it's 1500 gram, and this liver, you can see that it is divided into how many parts? How many parts or how many lobes? Yes. Anyone knows? Did I explain to you about this liver in a practical class? Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the liver is divided into 4 lobes. Okay, 4 lobes. Or else you can say 4 parts. The first one is the right lobe, this one. Okay, the second one is left lobe, and the third is the caudate lobe, this one, and the fourth is the quadrant. Okay, so these are 4 parts, or else you can say the 4 lobes of the liver. Okay, so these are the 4. Okay, the first one is the right lobe, this one. The second one is the left lobe. Okay, the next is what? Caudate lobe, this one. And the next is the quadrant lobe. Okay, so these are the 4 lobes of the liver. Okay, did you understand the 4 lobes of the liver? समझ में आया? ये liver 4 lobes में divided है. ठीक है, पहला क्या है? Right lobe. दूसरा है left lobe. तीसरा है caudate lobe. और 4 क्या है? Quadrant lobe. समझ में आया? Did you understand, everyone?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So now we will see about the function of the liver. Okay, अभी हम लोग liver मतलब क्या काम करते हैं देखेंगे. Okay, so the first function of the liver is what? The first function of the liver is that means the nutrients, okay, from the small intestine, whatever is coming, they will absorb it. This liver, they will absorb it. Okay, from the small intestine, whatever nutrients is coming, okay, the liver, they will absorb it. Understand? The liver, they will absorb it. And the second function of the liver is what? The second function of the liver is that this liver, they secrete bile juice. Okay, they make bile juice, you can say. And this bile juice, what is the function of this bile? The function of the bile is that they helps in digesting the fats, okay, as well as some vitamins. Okay, so that is the second function. Means the liver, they make bile, okay, B-I-L-E, bile. And this bile, what will they do? They will help in what? Digesting the fats as well as some vitamins. Okay. So okay. And the last one is what? Means the liver also detoxifies. Detoxify means it will clean out, it will cleanse out. Okay, whatever harmful particles or chemicals is there. okay, which is toxic for our body. Toxic means what? Which is harmful for our body. The liver, they will clean it. Okay, they will make it clean. Okay, so that it might not cause any harm to your body. Understand everyone? Okay, तो लीवर का पहला फंक्शन क्या है? लीवर का पहला फंक्शन ये है कि जो सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, ठीक है, जो सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से आ रहे हैं, वो ये लीवर मतलब एब्जॉर्ब करता है, मतलब खींच देता है, ठीक है, खींच देता है। और नेक्स्ट क्या है? ये लीवर मतलब बाइल जूस सिक्रेट करता है। BILE बाइल, मतलब ये लीवर बाइल जूस बनाता है, ठीक है। और ये बाइल जूस का काम क्या है? बाइल जूस का काम ये है कि जो सारे फैट्स, ठीक है, सारे फैट्स और विटामिन्स डाइजेस्ट करता है, ठीक है, डाइजेस्ट करने में मतलब मदद करता है ये लीवर एंड बाइल। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है? लास्ट, ये लीवर डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है। डिटॉक्सिफाई मतलब साफ कर देता है, जो सारे हानिकारक है हमारे शरीर के लिए, वो सब इसको मार देता है ताकि हमारे शरीर को नुकसान ना पहुंचे, ठीक है। समझ में आया? टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? डू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट इज गोल ब्लडर। So the gallbladder is also the part of the digestive system, okay, or else you can say gastrointestinal system. So this gallbladder, what will they do? This is the gallbladder, okay, this green color thing, ये gallbladder है, ठीक है, ये जो हरा वाला मतलब कलर का है, रंग का है, ठीक है, इसको gallbladder बोलते हैं। Okay, so this gallbladder, what will they do? They will store, okay, they will store the bile. Okay, they will store the bile which is coming from the liver. Remember, na, this bile, they make bile juice. This liver, they make bile juice, and where will they go? They will go to this gallbladder. They will store it, this bile juice, and they will make it concentrate. Concentrate means what? They will make it pure. They will make it, yes, they will make it pure. Okay, and again, where they will go? This bile, they will go to the duodenum, that is which is a part of the small intestine, and they helps in absorption as well as digesting the fats. Okay, I'll repeat again. This gallbladder, okay, this green color thing, nearby, it's located nearby the liver. Okay, this gallbladder, and this liver, they secrete bile juice. Okay, and they will go into this gallbladder. Okay, they will store bile juice here, and afterwards this bile, where will they go? They will go to the small intestine. Okay, they will go to the small intestine, in which part? Duodenum part. Okay, this is the first part of the small intestine, and afterwards what will they do? This bile juice, they will absorb. Okay, they helps in absorption, and as well as they help in digesting the fats. ओके, सो ये गोल ब्लडर क्या करता है? ये गोल ब्लडर जो है, ये लीवर बाइल जूस बनाता है, ठीक है, बाइल जूस बनाता है, और बाइल जूस कहाँ पे जाता है? ये गोल ब्लडर के अंदर जाता है। और ये गोल ब्लडर का काम क्या है? गोल ब्लडर का काम ये है कि ये बाइल मतलब सेफ कर देता है उसको, ठीक है, मतलब इसके अंदर में होता है ये बाइल जूस, गोल ब्लडर के अंदर में बाइल जूस होता है। और ये बाइल जूस उसके बाद कहाँ चला जाता है? उसके बाद ड्यूोडेनम पे चला जाता है, ठीक है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। समझ में? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ड्यूोडेनम पार्ट जो पहला पार्ट था। और इसके बाद क्या करेगा ये गोल ब्लडर, सॉरी, बाइल जूस, ये बाइल जूस एब्जॉर्प्शन में मदद करता है, मतलब खींचने में काम करता है, और उसके बाद फैट्स डाइजेस्ट करने में मदद करता है। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this is the next is large intestine, which is also known as the last part. Okay, the last part of the digestive tract. Okay, so so this is the large intestine, and the large intestine is for what? The large intestine is for collecting all the waste particles which is coming, okay, from every part, from everywhere, and finally you will here you will pass a stool. Okay, you know the meaning of stool? STOOL stool. Yes. Do you know the meaning of stool?
No.
Stool means latrine. Okay. Latrine, I think you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, means from here, like it comes and it goes out here. Okay, I'll explain to you. Okay, so this is your large intestine, and this large intestine is responsible for what? It's responsible for making your bowel empty. Okay, so that you can pass stool. ओके, सो ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन है। लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का काम क्या है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का काम ये है कि जो सारे गंदा मतलब जो डाइजेस्ट अच्छे से नहीं हुआ कि उसको मतलब यहाँ पे इकट्ठा होके फाइनली ये एनएस से बाहर निकलेगा। ठीक है, इसको जो लेट्रिन बोलते हैं। ठीक है, इसमें है। तो ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन कितना लंबा है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन 6 फुट है। ठीक है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का 6 फुट लंबा है।
Hôm nay con mua ra cho chân thằng cả Abba roti khair tabu mo ada tawo roti khair sini kor diwoy hamna rohna
So this large intestine, what is the length of this large intestine? The length of the large intestine is 6 foot. Okay, and they are muscular, means they are made up of muscles. Okay, ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ठीक है, ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन 6 फीट का है और ये मसल से बनाया हुआ है और ये ट्यूब का जैसा है। ठीक है, दिस इज लाइक अ ट्यूब। Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so the large intestine is also divided into many parts. Okay, and this colon, colon colon is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the colon is divided into 4 parts, and this large intestine, from where it starts, from the cecum. This is the cecum. Okay, the cecum where it is located or situated it is located nearby vermiform appendix. Okay, they are attached. The cecum and vermiform appendix is attached. This is the appendix. Vermiform appendix. Vermiform means what? They are thin and they are means straight. Okay, from the picture itself you can just see they are thin and they are straight. Okay, this cecum. Then afterwards you will get the ascending colon. This is your ascending colon, and next is your transverse colon. Next is your descending colon. Okay, and next is your sigmoid colon. So what are the function? What are the function of this colon? That is the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. This colon, they will absorb water. Okay, they absorb water. Okay, which contains bacteria. means bacteria is there in this colon. Okay, and this bacteria, what will they do? They will produce vitamins. Okay, they will produce vitamins like what? Like vitamin K. Okay, means which is beneficial for your body, means which is good for your body, they will produce it. Okay, and at last you will get rectum. Okay, so these are the parts you can say. First one is the cecum. Cecum is situated where? It is situated or attached near this vermiform appendix. Okay, next is what? Ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. So this colon, what will they do? These four colons, they helps in absorbing water. Okay, they helps in absorbing water, and in this colon they produce what? They means bacteria is there, but this bacteria is good for your body. Okay, and what will they do? They produce vitamins. Okay, they make vitamins, that is vitamin K. ओके, सो ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन कैसे बनाया है? पहला पार्ट आता है सिकम, ठीक है, और ये सिकम कहाँ पे है? ये अपेंडिक्स के पास में है, ठीक है, वो लोग एक साथ है, मतलब जुड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, उसके साथ में ही है वर्मिफॉर्म अपेंडिक्स। वर्मिफॉर्म मतलब जो लंबा है, मतलब जो स्ट्रेट और पतला है, उसको बोलते हैं वर्मिफॉर्म, ठीक है। और उसके बाद आता है सिकम, और नेक्स्ट आता है असेंडिंग कॉलम, ट्रांसवर्स कॉलम, डिसेंडिंग कॉलम और सिग्मोइड कॉलम, ठीक है। ये 4 कॉलम है, समझ में आया? और ये 4 कॉलम का काम क्या है? ये 4 कॉलम का काम ये है कि पानी एब्जॉर्ब करने में मदद करता है, मतलब पानी को खींचने के लिए मदद करता है। और ये क्या करता है? ये बैक्टीरिया प्रोड्यूस करता है, मतलब बैक्टीरिया बनाता है, लेकिन ये जो बैक्टीरिया है वो हमारे शरीर के लिए अच्छा है, और ठीक है, और ये विटामिन के बनाता है, असेंडिंग कॉलम, डिसेंडिंग कॉलम, ट्रांसवर्स कॉलम और सिग्मोइड कॉलम में, ठीक है। समझ में आया? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, okay, next is rectum. This is rectum. Okay, means after this colon, next comes your rectum. ये colon के बाद, ठीक है, ये ascending, transverse, descending, sigmoid colon के बाद क्या आता है? rectum, ठीक है। तो ये rectum क्या है? rectum is straight, मतलब rectum सीधा है, और उसका माप कितना है? 8 इंच, ठीक है। ये 8 इंच का है ये rectum, ठीक है, ये rectum। और रेक्टम का काम क्या है? रेक्टम का काम ये है कि जो सारे मतलब गंदा चीज यहाँ से आ रहे हैं वो मतलब रिसीव करता है, मतलब कलेक्ट करता है, और फाइनली एनस में चला जाता है, ठीक है। ये जो सारे गंदा चीज है जो कोलन से आ रहा है, ठीक है, ये मतलब यहाँ पे इकट्ठा होता है, ठीक है। स्टूल, लेट्रिन जो है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आके इकट्ठा होता है, और उसके बाद एनस पे चला जाता है, उसके बाद फाइनली लेट्रिन करते हैं, ठीक है। सो द नेक्स्ट इज रेक्टम. सो दिस इज योर रेक्टम, एंड द रेक्टम you can find it is straight, okay, and the length of the rectum is how much? 8 inch, okay, it's 8 inch. And what will this rectum do? The rectum, they receive the stool, okay, they receive means they will collect the stool which is coming from this colon, okay, means they will collect the latrine which is coming from here, and finally you will pass out the anus, and finally you will pass latrine, you will pass stool. Okay, did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next part and the last part is the anus. Okay. नेक्स्ट पार्ट क्या है? एनस है, और ये मतलब लास्ट पार्ट है, ठीक है, डाइजेस्टिव इंटेस्टाइन, यस, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का ये जो एनस है, ये लास्ट पार्ट है। Okay, so the anus is surrounded by sphincter. You remember, na, sphincter means it opens, it automatically opens. So the anus means inside it is made up with sphincter. Okay, so this sphincter, what will they do? They helps in controlling the stool. Can you control your stool or not? ये मतलब स्टूल तुम लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हो कि नहीं? हाँ, yes, can you control your stool or not? Mukhtar Uddin Lashkar, can you control your stool? Yes. Can you control it? वो लेट्रिन को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो तुम?
No, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ. Yes. Yes, can you control it?
हाँ कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
Yes, you can control your stool, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, whenever you feel like means, suppose you are on the way, okay, means you are on the way and you wanted to pass stool. You won't just pass on the way, isn't it?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you getting me? Suppose तुम लोग अभी रास्ते में हो और मतलब पोटी मतलब पोटी करना चाहते हो और रास्ता में तो
हाँ.
पोटी करोगे क्या?
नहीं नहीं.
नहीं करोगे ना, obviously means you can control it. Okay, you can control it. Okay, so that one is with the help of what? Sphincter. Okay, which helps you in controlling it. Understand? Internal sphincter is there in your anus. ये anus में internal sphincter है. ये जो internal sphincter है हम लोग का जो stool है latrine है control करने में मदद करता है. ठीक है? Your internal sphincter helps you in controlling your stool. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, did you understand everyone till anus? सबको समझ में आया anus तक?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then.